Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast, English in Daily Life. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very simple and very useful. We're talking about weather changes.
Yes, weather is something we talk about every day. It's a great way to start conversations in English.
Exactly. Even beginners can talk about the weather easily.
So today we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and real-life conversations.
And don't forget, listen, then repeat, then listen again. This is how you improve.
Also, if you enjoy learning with us, please like and subscribe. It helps us a lot.
All right, let's get started.
Part 1. Basic weather words.
Let's start with some basic weather words.
Listen first.
Sunny. Sunny means there is a lot of sun.
Example, it is sunny today.
Now you say it.
Good job.
Next word, rainy.
Rainy means it is raining.
Example, it is rainy today.
Repeat, it is rainy today.
Nice, you're doing great.
Next, cloudy.
Cloudy means there are many clouds in the sky.
Example, it is cloudy today.
Say it again. It is cloudy today.
Perfect.
Next, windy.
Windy means there is strong wind.
Example, it is windy today.
Repeat, it is windy today.
Last one, cold and hot.
Cold means low temperature.
Example, it is cold today.
Hot means high temperature.
Example, it is hot today.
Great. Now you know basic weather words.
Part 2, talking about weather changes.
Now let's talk about changes in weather.
This is very important in daily life.
Listen carefully. The weather is changing.
Repeat, the weather is changing.
Good.
Another sentence, it was sunny, but now it is cloudy.
Listen again.
It was sunny, but now it is cloudy.
Now you say it. Next example. It was hot, but now it is cold.
Repeat, it was hot, but now it is cold.
Very nice.
Let's try one more. It started raining.
This means rain just began.
Repeat, it started raining.
Another useful sentence. The weather is getting colder.
Repeat, the weather is getting colder.
Or, the weather is getting warmer.
Repeat, the weather is getting warmer.
Part 3. Real-life conversation.
Now let's do a real-life conversation.
First, just listen. Hi, Ronald. How's the weather today?
Hi, Stephanie. It was sunny in the morning, but now it's cloudy.
Oh, really? I think it might rain.
Yes, the weather is changing quickly.
Now, let's break it down.
How's the weather today?
This means, tell me about today's weather.
Repeat, how's the weather today?
It was sunny in the morning.
Repeat, it was sunny in the morning.
But now it's cloudy.
Repeat, but now it's cloudy.
I think it might rain.
Repeat, I think it might rain.
The weather is changing quickly.
Repeat, the weather is changing quickly.
Part 4. Interactive practice.
Now it's your turn.
Answer this question. How's the weather today?
Part 5. Listen again. Hi, Ronald. How's the weather today?
Hi, Stephanie. It was sunny in the morning, but now it's cloudy.
Oh, really? I think it might rain.
Yes, the weather is changing quickly.
Now, you repeat the full conversation. You're improving already. Part 6. Wrap up, recap, and community question. Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We learned basic weather words like sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, hot, and cold.
We also learned how to talk about changes.
Like, it was sunny, but now it's cloudy.
And the weather is changing.
And it started raining.
You did an amazing job today.
Keep practicing every day. Even small practice helps a lot.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what's the weather like in your city today?
We would love to read your answers.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next episode. Bye.